Alright guys, so I've ridden around my neighborhood off-road in the snow. Now it's time to try the Riverwoods. If it's too much ice, I'm gonna bail. I wore this wrist guard for obvious reasons. I'm gonna have to get one of those thick gloves that also has wrist guard plates so I can still stay warm. But for now, a little bit of frostbite won't hurt. I don't imagine myself staying for too long here. Can I attempt this? Ooh, here we go. Let's go. Off-road in the Riverwoods in the snow. Oh, it's already very sketchy. Traction, it's not as poor as I anticipate. Maintain balance. Come on. Whoop. Whoop. Going down a hill right now in the snow. So far, so good. Almost at the bottom. So far, so good indeed. Okay, now, which way should I go? Let's go here. This is very interesting. Today is not the day for fast riding. I'm right near a cliff too. Oh yeah, good on the Nosfet Aero. Here we go. Oh, oh, wait, I'm feeling more ice around here. Okay, here we go. I really am crazy, am I? Sorry, coming through. Whoa, this is a crazy place to be riding a unicycle. In the snow. God damn. Oh. Just try to keep my hand warm. Oh, bridge. Bridge is always icy. Oh. Whew. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay. Let's go in this trail. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It really is a lot more workout to ride in the snow. Oh. Your entire body has to be in what would you call it? Ready mode? Oh yeah. You gotta be totally ready. Ooh. Oh. I will say it's absolutely beautiful here. I don't usually come down here in the winter, and I can't say I'm not happy to see all this. This is great, but it is frigid. Sorry, coming through. Sorry. Thank you. It's very hard to turn. I'm doing pretty well, I would say. Oh my god, my feet is getting pretty damn sore already. I don't suppose I can sit. I can. Oh no, actually, no. I can't put additional weight on the wheel. I'll slip that way. Ooh, oh my god, it's slippery here. That's that toboggan hill. I wonder if it's a good idea for me to try that. Maybe I should. If I fall, it's only snow. That's assuming I can make it up here first. Can I even do it? No, I don't think so. It's too steep. And I'm really tired. Solid ice. You know what? Fuck it, I'm here. I'm gonna try going up. Not sure. Is there enough snow for traction? Yeah, not a good idea. You know what? Hills. I think I should give up. There are people playing there. I don't want to embarrass myself too much. Well, I'll be happy if I can go down here. So let's do it. Here. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, much deeper here in the grass. Let's see how I do it in the grass. Okay. I believe this is enough of a workout. Let's start heading back. God damn. Oh yeah, the cold's starting to get to me. I still got a nice thermos of coffee in the car. I gotta keep my mind focused on that. Look at this place. It's like a magical dream world. Off-roading is the best. Off-roading is the funnest. Not many of you will agree, but it just makes us feel alive. Every part of your body needs to anticipate every single movement, every single ebb and flow, every single ground texture. Something that will induce maximum focus. You to exert maximum effort. Oh, the soreness. The absolute soreness. There's EUC training going on right now. It is Sunday after all. I'm gonna go there, check out some peeps, say hello, tell them about my experience. Okay. That is a hill. Can I make it up there without slipping? Let's find out. Oh, fuck. Can I do it? I think I'm slipping already. Oh, okay. I think I can do it. I'm doing it. Almost to flat surface. Come on. Here we go. All right, let's keep going. I believe there's one more stretch of uphill I must conquer. Oh, yeah, it's slipping. It's a bit of an incline. Oh, that requires a lot of finesse. Oh, God. Yeah, that's pure ice over there. I don't feel that confident. I may have to walk this stretch at least. I think I can do this stretch. I'm gonna walk. Not enough momentum. That's the problem with stopping in the middle of a hill. You're never gonna get the same momentum again, and it takes too much torque to get going. And torque in the snow guaranteed slippage. I did relatively well considering. Let's get back to the car. That was an experience. Oh! Man, yeah, it's pretty slippery out here. Sup, Connie?
Sketchy.
Yeah, it is pretty sketchy. Oh!
The problem with most people who want to try popping because you want to go right away, but you don't know how to steer yet.
Right.
Go forward there and then pull. Then this is your aim again.
Uh-huh.
When you get perfect, when you perfect that, and then you extend it. So when you get that idea that it's just the steering, you get it easier.
For sure, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, also, got a little bit of an excuse there. My legs are a little jello-like after the off-roading at the Riverwoods. Yeah, I went all the way to the toboggan hill. That was a long way.
And then go again. Just do it short for now. Short like this. And then when you can go longer, you go longer. When you're running out, push again. You need a fucking certain...
Long pendulum, yeah.
When you brake on the back, make sure that your body is ready to go forward like this. If it doesn't, you're gonna go. This is what counts with this. If you don't do that, you can't go backwards, right? You want to correct, but you have to go like this. If you don't do that, you can't go back.
Holy shit, yeah, that's a rocket.
Yeah.
Damn. No, I haven't tried it yet.
Right, just ride it out. Here.
Extreme Bull Rocket. That's a nice looking wheel, actually. Hey, suspension's not too bad. Okay, shit, the rocket feels nice. What's up, Abdullah? Not bad, man. I was practicing. Can you hold this? I want to try lifting this.
It's 61 pounds.
It is heavier than the Aero.
So that's
Yeah.
pounds, but you feel it.
Yeah. It's like I feel it in maneuvering. I definitely feel the power. Hey, Anton. So I just came from the Riverwoods. It was kind of shit, but doable. The rocket, that's a pretty serious wheel.
That's
Yeah.
168 volts, man.
Yeah, no, that's a pretty.
It's gonna hit the Aero in the Aeon? Offroad. Not the Aeon. Even the Aeon. What? This wheel is fucking fast, bro. And torquey.
Yeah.
40, bro. 61, 62 pounds.
No, it's not.
It is. Look at it.
Yes.
Fucking 80 pounds.
Yeah. Regardless, I prefer the Aero's weight.
I can see you dancing, bro. You're gonna forget your Aero if you.
Nah, I think I still prefer the Aero just because it's how much lighter it is. Yeah, but the power, I do like the power. It is definitely light enough to jump. Yeah, no, yeah, their design is not the...
This has to be something like that.
Yeah. That's why I put baby foam, man. People make fun, but it's the shit.
As high as Patton, you're saying? How about you do this? Sideways, like this?
So, as usual, the Patton is the best wheel here. Bullshit right there. Aero was there, lose the fuck out of this motherfucker.
I would have pumped it a little bit before, right? Because it's leaking. I don't think the tube is inflating.
Marlowe, can you ride two at once? There we go, look at that. You're doing it, you're skating.
Nice.
Oh my god, he's a bicycle!
You're doing it. Holy shit. No, go backwards. Yeah. You're doing it, holy shit. Dual wheel going backwards.
Alright, this is the new training. You gotta learn this.
Bring your knee pads or wrist guards.
Yes, I do.
You should put them on. Very nice.
For the beginning.
Doing a whole lap. Yeah, like counterbalance too when you're doing a turn. Oh yeah, you know what? That's a good way to bail. Put one foot down and just spin around. I think you should be able to clear the tire.
No. Do it here and jump. I'll tell you if you can win.
Oh, no. I'm going to go on the ground, lie down on the ground.
It is very cold.